Hello everyone, welcome to this new video by ChezMamie, where the French cuisine is made easy. So today we're gonna make a mayonnaise, a staple of the French cuisine. You can have mayonnaise with steamed shrimps, with a seafood in general, with a salmon cake, or just with bread, just like that. So what do you need for a perfect mayonnaise? So for a basic mayonnaise, you usually need an egg yolk, some mustard, here usually with not grains, and then some salt and pepper. And then obviously you need a good quantity of oil. So you will need some neutral flavored oil, like canola oil, and if I were to use olive oil, that would be like 10% because the flavor can be quite strong. And you also need a whisk and some wrist power. Are you ready? So let's start. So first you put the egg yolk in the bowl, and then you add 1 teaspoon of mustard. That's it. You mix a little bit. So now, what is the secret? Well, the secret is that you need to add the canola oil very slowly and with a small quantity. So let's add just a little bit of oil. And then you start with the whisk. Well, mayonnaise is a oil in water emulsion, meaning that really the secret is to put the oil in a very small quantity every time, and then you use your wrist power. And once you don't see any oil around, you can add more. At the very beginning, that will be a little bit liquid, but after some efforts, that will become more solid soon. Et voila, the mayonnaise is almost ready. So if you have some guests at home, you can put your mayonnaise in a small container. That will look a little bit nicer. Et voilà,